I think there's two ways to evaluate a Supreme Court nominee from the Catholic perspective. One would be on what is that nominee's on the substantive meaning of the Constitution, and the second is what is that nominee's view on the Constitution and how we interpret it. Judge Gorsuch appears to be not a fan of abortion, appears to believe in traditional marriage, appears to believe in relatively limited federal government, robust religious liberty. So on the substantive issues that Catholics in the United States care about, he seems to be a pretty good candidate, a pretty good nominee. And Judge Gorsuch is well known or criticized for being somebody who's written and publicly said he wants to follow the original meaning of the Constitution. I think he would look at the Constitution in a way that Catholics would find compatible with the rule of law. If something has worked well for a long period of time, that's good evidence that it's a good way to approach that subject. And so that small t tradition of the Senate requiring 60 votes seems to have worked pretty well for a long period of time. Not perfect, nothing in government is perfect. And I'm worried that the move to 50 votes is going to not be valuable simply because of the evidence that it's worked for a long period of time. So Judge Gorsuch is filling Justice Scalia's seat, and Justice Scalia was well known for being an originalist. And so if I'm right that Judge Gorsuch is an originalist similar to Justice Scalia, then that means the makeup of the court is going to be relatively stable. But what the next nominee is likely to do is likely to replace somebody who is not of the same level of commitment to originalism. And so I think we actually have the chance in the medium term to have a Supreme Court for the first time since the New Deal, at least since the Warren Court, to consistently say we want to follow the Constitution's original meaning.